in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default export file type in GIMP to OpenRaster image. So that if you want that, it's a default file export type. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, select Image Import and Export near the top left. And then on the right side, if you scroll down underneath Export File Type, Default Export File Type, click the drop down and select Open Raster Image, and then select OK to confirm, and that is it. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.